Hi guys, welcome back. Alright, so today I'm going to show you April's Boxycharm. I have my daughter standing off to the side here. She's going to hold the box for me and I'm going to show you guys what I got in my variation. So, that's ready. Okay, so I got variation 3, as you can see right here. And let's see. First things first, I got a high definition liquid lipstick. I know I had opened this at one point. Oh, it's right here. Okay. So there's that. And let's see. This is really, well, I can tell you MSRP on this is $24. And I'm gonna do a swatch for you guys. Now, I'm not wearing any lipstick today because my lips are really dry. So I'm trying to make them better. But right here, as you can see, it's a very pretty color. And I like it. Please excuse that. That's from a different video. Alright, next from Tarte, I got the Pro Glow. And this is an exposed. So there's this. And I will swatch this somewhere. I will just find a small spot and swatch it. So right there. Really pretty. So I think with enough buildup, it would actually be very, very pretty. And of course, it's on my finger too. All right, and then next, I'm not swatching this. Dr. Brandt vacuum cleaner, pores no more. And this is a clay face mask, which I'm totally looking forward to using and having my daughters use as well. And next, I'm not swatching this one either. This is the brow gel, and this is for brown hair. So yeah, I'm not gonna swatch this one. It's all sealed up anyway. Although I am interested in actually using this, since I've never actually used one of these before, but hopefully it works nicely. We'll see. Alright, and last, I got the variation that has the semi-precious palette from Colourpop, which I really wanted the My Little Pony palette. Well, of course I didn't get it, but this one is actually really pretty too, and I'm not sad at all. So let's see if I can get my camera to adjust. Come on, camera. There we go. Very, very pretty colors. So like I said, not sad at all. So that does it for my Boxycharm this month. I'm actually very happy with it. And that's it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the palm reading if you're not subscribed. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you all. Bye.